film? Yeah.
Oh, you guys are going first.
Yeah.
They're going together. Dad. Coronavirus mask.
Yeah. You look a bit bad. You get scared, Benny? Scared?
Yeah.
You want to go in?
You're going first. Dad,
Aaron, can you put that in the bag?
how scary is it out of 10?
Are you scared? Hey, once you're in, you're in. You're in now. Don't put your arms out, buddy, right? There you are.
If you do want to hop out, buddy, wait for me.
This is so scared! 3, 2, 1! Tell me what it is.
Whoa! It's like a bloody roller coaster.
This isn't even scary!
There's a witch lady.
Hey! Dad, keep your arm around me.
Okay. Uh-oh.
No. Alright, Dad.
I can hear Mum.
Hey, guys! Hey, Jesse!
Oh, what the hell's that? Oh, this thing! Oh, he's scary.
Hey!
Whoa! What is that here?
Hey! That wasn't it! It's not jump scare!
Very proud of me, Mark. Now we've joined it a bit more.
Just to go on the second try. Let's pull down on your safety belts and lift them back up front as you get yourselves out. Lift up, guys, exit on the left or the right hand side. Bye for now.
My head's just slipping so much. I'm not kidding, I nearly peed my pants. When you like were like
I seen you had your eyes closed, but you opened them.
I was closing my eyes, and when I closed my eyes, like everything. When you closed your eyes, it felt like you just gone like that. Yeah, I felt like I was upside down. And when you open your eyes, it feels like you're gonna hit like someone or something. And then the guy in there, he was like waving his toy at us. Can we do it again? It's so fun.